Actually, what I am going to do is that the base where the table memory is gathered, that base I'll expand it. When you are ready to sacrifice memory, you give me a flexibility that clay, you see, the memory and the table both are made of same material. Now you are telling me I am free to play with your memory. I'll just take little material and make a table, big table, that's all, nothing else. But I need freedom. I need freedom so that it's actually, I'm intensely lighting some part of your brain which can handle enormous amount of memory, but for which the roadway to that part of the brain where you need to completely trust me and allow. That is the reason somehow still that without surrender we are not able to transmit enlightenment. I also tried. No, I understand the modern man's struggle. I really wanted to come up with some system where without asking surrender this experience can be transmitted. Then I can transmit for millions. Mass production. That's what really I wanted. But that route through which I need to send my energy, that is the point where your logic sits and be as a security. That will give way only if you have a deep trust on me and ready to consciously let go with me. And that is the spot where the necessary for guru, surrender, all this whole thing comes to necessity. Actually, nothing else is required. Your conscious decision, which you already took actually now. All we need to dump the memory is your conscious decision. You already took it. Now I have to drill this into your being, that's all. I am going to use your own receipt card. See, you already took the decision. Come on, engrave it deeply. Nothing else. I am going to tell your being. Your intellect has decided to drop all memory. Now please imbibe, involve. That's all we need. Just close your eyes. Because when the memories are taken out, you will become so light. Ready? All you are going to do is your will is going to become more powerful than any of your memories. That's the first part now we are going to do. Just tell yourself, I have decided to drop all my memory. I don't want any of it anymore. There is no such thing as good or bad. All ideas put in my head by society, I am renouncing. Tell this to yourself very clearly, consciously. I will guide you next step. Please close your eyes. Tell yourself very clearly. Just close your eyes and decide consciously. I don't want any memory, any idea, anything put in my head. Here I am renouncing everything. Enough. Enough of society. Enough of everything.